Hey everybody, and welcome to It's a Love Thing. I want to say before I go any further, happy Vlogmas everybody. So today I am making pinto beans. I've never made pinto beans on It's a Love Thing. So we're going to start out with our pinto beans, our smoked turkey wing. We have minced garlic, we have powdered garlic, we also have sugar, tomato sauce, black pepper, onion powder, bay leaf. We have some bacon grease. We also have our Lipton onion mix, 2 cans of chicken broth, a half a stick of butter, bell pepper, onion, and 2 cups of water. It's that simple. Very simple. So we're going to go over to the pan and we're going to put this meal together. Okay guys, we have a little olive oil in here, so we're going to put these onions in here. And I like to build my flavor. Everybody don't do it like this. This is the way I do it. And I do it a lot, to be honest with you, a lot of different ways. It depends on what type of meat I'm using, to really be honest with you. Okay, so we have our onions in here. We're gonna allow these onions to cook just for a little bit, just to start our flavor out. We're gonna go in. We're going to go in with some minced garlic. And you all know it don't take minced garlic a long time to cook. So that's when you know it's time to put your liquids in. This is how much garlic I use. This is well over a tablespoon, probably a tablespoon and a half. But I like the flavor of garlic. So as you can see, it's starting to cook just a little bit. We're going to turn this up. We're going to help it out. And you see a couple of big pieces in there. That's okay. You don't have to go in and cut it up, because trust me, at the end you won't see none of this. Trust me. So we have that cooking. Right now, you can add your bacon grease, which is what I'm going to do now. That's about a tablespoon of bacon grease. Oops. So a little bit, some of it dropped out, so we're going to half it out just a little bit. So far, we have our minced garlic. What we have in here, cameraman?
Minced garlic, bell pepper, onions, and bacon grease.
There you go. Okay, so now we're going to go in with our garlic powder. We're going to go in with our onion powder. We're going to go in with a little black pepper. We're going to go in with a little, very, very little Lipton onion mix. We're going to go in with 1 cup of chicken broth. This is our second can of chicken broth. This is 2 cups of
water.
And we normally like to have, you need a little more water, very little water. And we're going to allow this to come to a boil, and then we're going to put in our turkey. We're going to put in our turkey meat. See where that onion is? Okay. So now we're getting ready to add in our turkey meat. Cause by the time you put in your beans, your water already have a flavor. So those beans are gonna take all that. They're gonna just absorb all of that. So now we're getting ready to go in with our 1 stick of butter. I'm sorry, a half a stick of butter. I guess y'all like, wow. Okay, we didn't add in our sugar. We added in our sugar?
No.
Okay, we're gonna go in with a little sugar. We're gonna use our tomato sauce, but that's only toward like halfway of cooking, or maybe like the last 30 minutes. You don't necessarily have to do it right now. So we're gonna see where we're gonna put these beans, and these beans are gonna take at least about 2.5 hours. So we're gonna go in now with our beans. Normally I will allow it to cook a little longer and let the meat, but for recording's sake, we're gonna put it in right now. And if you have some beans that's already split, take those beans out. Sometime when you wash them and clean them, you kind of miss some of them. But if you catch them, take them out. And we're going to turn this pot up to 6 because we want this to come to a boil. We're going to come to a nice boil. So I'm going to bring you guys back once it starts boiling. Okay guys, so as you can see, these beans have come to a boil. We're going to turn this heat down just a little bit. We're going to set it between 2 and 3. I'm going to go in with a little Goya. We're going to stir that in. And y'all, when I tell y'all, my husband, he's sitting on the couch. He's like a little proud little kid. Like, man, what time do you think those beans gonna be ready? So we're gonna go in with 1 bay leaf, and we're gonna allow this to cook for about 2 hours. And I'm gonna bring you guys back. I'm gonna put us 1 little bay leaf in here. Oh, this is so little. Why are they so little? Y'all, they cheated me. Okay, that's a little bigger. That one is a little bigger. So we're gonna allow this to cook for about 2 hours, and I'm gonna bring you guys back. So guys, as you can see, my beans, they are almost done. So we're gonna add just a little bit of tomato sauce in here, not a whole lot. Stir this in. See how I give it that beautiful color? But it also add a little flavor too. So we're gonna, you can see the meat is falling off the bone. So we're gonna let this simmer for the next 15 minutes. And I'll bring you guys back. Well guys, as you can see, it has been 20 minutes. And when I tell you, these beans, oh my goodness, yes, I've already tasted them, and you can see the meat falling off the bone. We're going to remove this bay leaf, and guys, I'm telling you, this is a good pot of pinto beans. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment down below, hit the notification bell so you would know every time It's a Love Thing is in the building. Have a blessed day, and happy Vlogmas!